Good morning, everyone. Here I am today again to make my coffee and feed my doggies. So let me put my whipped cream out, making my coffee now. I ran out of the dog food out too. I ran out of half and half yesterday, and then forgot to go get some. So no half and half today. That's the dog food. Like always, thank you for watching my videos. Welcome to the new members. I'm happy that you're here. Please continue to subscribe and share. And later on, at the end of the day, I will be uploading my look of the day, like I usually do. And sometime today, I'm gonna go do some gardening. I still haven't cut that tree down, so I'm gonna have to go do that. It's inevitable. Thursday, my gardeners come and they see that again. They're gonna be like, "What the hell is this woman doing?" So, to get that fixed. So I'll do that today. Straighten out a little bit in the backyard. I'm gonna catch up on my tanning. I haven't been tanning in like 3 days. Oh no, since I started, since the hurricane. So about 3 days. So I gotta go work on my tan. I'm gonna lay out in the sun for about a half an hour. And yeah. My dogs are very spoiled. I cook for them. And I mentioned yesterday that I got this little tripod. It's a motorized motion detected. See, tripod, and it just follows me. I love it. Although sometimes I'm right here and it's all the way over there. And it's like, you know. So how do you guys like me in pink? You guys can start, like, I don't know, voting on what color you think looks better on me. So far, I think you guys have seen me in blue and black, green. Which color do you prefer? Is there a color that matches my skin more than another? I also gotta watch my stove. My stove top. It's something I don't really love to do. Right, Stella? So I have 3 French bulldogs. There are 3 females. Stella, Bella, and Ella. Ella is short for Cruella. That's why I'm Frenchie. I'm Saundra the Frenchie mom. A lot of people think it's because I'm French. Although I am mixed with French in my bloodline, that's not the reason why I am a Frenchie mom. It's because of my 3 Frenchie babies. So that's a little bit of me. And they're very spoiled and very high maintenance. If you have a Frenchie, you know what I'm talking about. They're lazy, spoiled. Let me feed Stella since she's here. Just give me one moment. I'm gonna go give the other ones their food. Okay, I'm back. I just went to go feed Bella and Stella. The only thing I don't like about this little tripod is it goes sideways, but it doesn't go up and down. So I have to like look to make it tall or whatever. I gotta look for ways to put the tripod. I don't know if you guys can see, but I recycled a lot of stuff. Like I, reuse things for my garden. I save the eggshells for my gardens. I save all the seeds I eat. This is avocado, the avocado seeds, and those are ready to go in the dirt. So I just gotta plant them. And I compost, and I use all my waters that I boil stuff in, coffee, vegetables, all those waters go into the garden. That's what I have in here. Some of the vegetables that I boiled for the dogs. I gotta go dump that next to the banana trees. So, and I'm gonna do some gardening definitely today because I haven't done any gardening in going on a week, and I feel guilty because that's my happy place, and I haven't been doing it. So I'm gonna go out there today, and I'll be putting on my pigtails. I know you guys don't like my pigtails. You guys rather have me in my hair loose. I can't stand it when I'm outside though, because it makes me hot. Since I don't have cream or milk, I really don't drink milk, so I don't buy milk. But I'm gonna put a bunch of whipped cream in it to lighten it. Many of you guys have coffee with have whipped cream with your coffee, or is it just me? Drizzle some in there. Stella's making a big old mess on the floor. She's got a big old tongue. Makes a big mess. She makes a huge mess when she's eating. So I'm gonna enjoy my coffee. I'm gonna go put on my gardening clothes, and I'm gonna tackle that tree. I gotta water the plants that are under this gazebo because they're not getting any rain. And I might make a video out there, depends. If I do, you'll know, because I upload as soon as I film. Delicioso. Isto é muito bom. Este café é muito bom. Obrigado para vocês todos que falam português em ser subscribers, não sei como é que se diz em português, ao meu canal. Eu aprecio isso e oxalá que vocês continuem em follow me. E eu ponho vídeos no meu canal todos os dias, so tenho muito para ver. Se vocês querem ver mais coisa, eu tenho outros canais e podem encontrar os links embaixo. Y para ustedes que hablan español, yo todos los días subo videos a mi canal. Si quieren ver algo más sensual de mí, tengo otras plataformas que hay más para ver. Si están interesados en algo así, pueden entrar abajo o en mi perfil y ahí tengo links para esos canales. Si es que gustan, si no, perfectamente me pueden seguir aquí. Muchas gracias por todo y por favor no dejen de dejar un like. Suscríbanse si no se han suscrito allá. Y los veo en el próximo. Voy a ir para afuera, me voy a bañar en el sol Voy a cortar la planta que se me cayó, la bananera. Y a la noche voy a hacer el video del vestido, que mucha gente está gostando. E entonces nos vemos mais tarde. A gente vê-se mais logo. Vou fazer o vídeo do meu vestido, que toda a gente gosta, também de popular. E vocês podem me deixar uns comentários, saber qual é a cor que vocês gostam, o que é que vocês gostavam que eu fizesse nos vídeos e assim, informação assim. Bom, obrigado, gracias, thank you all for being part of my clan, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao.